A car covers a distance of 384 kilometers in 8 hours. If it traveled at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour slower, how much longer would it take to cover the same distance? So this is distance, this is time. Speed is distance by time, kilometers per hour. 384 by 8 divide by 2, 192 by 4 divide by 2, 96 by 2, which is 48 kilometers per hour. We traveled 8 kilometers per hour slower. That means the speed would be, instead of 48 kilometers per hour, it is 48 minus 8 kilometers per hour, which is 40 kilometers per hour. The distance remains 384 kilometers. Speed is 40 kilometers per hour. Time taken is 384 by 40. 196 by 20. 192 by 20. 96 by 10, which is 9.6 hours. The first instance it takes 8 hours. New instance it takes 9.6 hours. Or additional time, how much longer it will take, is 9.6 minus 8, which is 1.6 hours. Just 1 hour and 6 by 10 hours. This in minutes is 1 hour and 6 by 10 into 60 minutes, or 1 hour and 36 minutes.